Hey y'all, how's it going? I have a set of Scotty Hubcaps and they are really rusted out. So I checked online to see what's the best way to clean them, and I saw that if you soak it in vinegar and then use distilled wool, you know, use distilled wool, that you will be able to clean it off, get it shined and polished. So see this part, it was already like this, so I'm hoping that this just comes off and that it's not too bad. I'll have these for sale because I have another set, so I'm cleaning these up so I can sell them to raise some money for Larry Boy, which I hope to get him, started this fall. I have an appointment in October to start his rebuild. Okay, let's see how it goes. Bucket. Vinegar. I think I'll add some water to it too. Oh, looks like it's doing something already. Yes. I wonder if we pour it on top, what it's gonna look like. Let's see. Huh. Not bad. Guess what? I need some more vinegar, but it already seems to be reacting. Look at that. Yeah. It's over here. That's with no scrubbing. Look. It's doing a little something. All right. Stay tuned. I'll probably come back either later tonight. Oh, it's moving. Later tonight or a different day, to finish up. But I see progress. Hi everyone, it's a new day, a fresh start. So I left the hubcaps soaking overnight in the vinegar, and I think they made some progress. But first I want to show you, I told you I had two sets of hubcaps. So this is the pair that's in better shape. Here, I have to clean it off. Ooh. Yeah, okay. This one looks alright. So I was gonna keep this one and sell the other set, like I said, to raise some money for Larry Boy. Anyhow, let's see what happens. I didn't pick up steel wool. I still just have this plastic scrubber. But this one, it did make some progress because both were looking quite rusty. But this one was able to come out just from soaking it overnight. And then I put a scrub in a little bit. And more came off, you see? More came off, so I'm getting ready to leave soon for a trip. So I'm gonna let these soak in the bucket. I still have them in this little tub. I'll get closer so you can see. I have them in a little tub. I had them soaking upside down like this. And I'm gonna put them in a bucket. So they'll be completely submerged, and then see how that turns out. Okay, we're back from acidity. It's been a wonderful trip all week. And I left those hubcaps soaking in the vinegar and a little water. So let's see how they look. Is it gonna be? Oh, it's better, right? You see that? Oh, wait, come close to that one. Oh. Oh my goodness. Let's dip it again. What? It's coming out. Can you see that? I wonder, wow, okay. A little more scrubbing when I'm in the right clothes. Look at this. Oh, I'm getting it on myself. Too late. Wow. I wonder, look, can you see that? You see it coming off? Let's see what the second one looks like. That's one. And number 2. Wow. I need to do a before and after picture. Even the back, you can see the difference. Is there something I can do to make the color come back? Still, we need a little more scrubbing, right? It looks way better. Check that out. Come on. Whoa. Wow. Okay. That's a big improvement from what we had before. So